Hi, and welcome to another episode of Nerd Bytes. Today we'll be recovering a deleted dashboard using NerdGraph. Let me know if this story sounds familiar to you. So you've built a beautiful dashboard to monitor real users to your website, making the most of New Relic One dashboards. You even have some custom visualizations made from open source charting libraries. You go to the settings, hovering over the delete button, and before you know it, you reflexively press confirm. Whoops, it's gone. In a panic, you search for your old dashboard, but it doesn't show up. You just want to recover it ASAP. But what can you do now? Well, don't worry. We can now get back using the NerdGraph imitation dashboard and delete in GraphQL or your API client of choice. Now, in GraphQL, the only thing we'll need to run this mutation is the GUID. To get that, simply go back to the URL of your old delete dashboard and it will show you the GUID. I'll hit back on my browser and refresh the page. So we'll paste it in and run a mutation. Now let's take a look at the results. There looks to be no errors in the execution, meaning that we should have succeeded in restoring this dashboard. There's only one way to find out if it worked. Let's go back to our dashboards list. There it is. Let's take a peek inside. It looks like everything is back to normal, so I can go back to admiring this beautiful dashboard. Today we saw how you can easily recover a deleted dashboard using NerdGraph. So there's no need to panic if you accidentally delete any dashboards. For step-by-step instructions and the dashboard and delete mutation, visit the links in the description. See you next time.